Hey Pete, this is Watson at Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. I wanted to give you a quick look around this GLC formatic coupe that you inquired about. This is in polar white, black text, illuminated star, 20-inch gorgeous wheels. And it's also got the AMG line, which gives you the nice body kitting around the car. So let me pan out here and we'll take a look at this baby. So coming at you from the front end, that's when you really see that AMG package with your diamond star grille coming at you. Gives you a little more aggressive look, and the wheels are gorgeous on this. Wheels are very personal to most people, but I think these are outstanding alloys. Notice the swept back construction of this coupe, which is what kind of makes it nifty on the road, gives it a very aggressive look. We'll take a look here on the back. So this is with your basically a hatchback type operation. You've got a ton of storage in there, 3 passengers in the back seat, 2 up front. And let's come around to, and again, just the stance of the way this sits on the ground is just gorgeous, very, very aggressive. So let's come around to the interior. And so you really have the white-black theme going here. You got the beautiful aluminum trim running around the interior of the vehicle, your multi-function screen up front. Up top you have the oversized moonroof, sunroof, ready to go. 2023 GLC Mercedes-Benz Coupe. A lot of fun to drive. Of course, the formatic system makes it exceptional in all weather conditions. I'm Watson, Mercedes-Benz of Scarborough, Maine. Thank you for your inquiry. Please call me at 207-510-2284 for more information. Have a good day.